Whoa!
Yeah.
Flipping sideways.
Mike, we're not going to be able to get you out of there.
Oh, shit. Turn your wheels. See if your wheels will grab. Hold that brake.
Now I
Turn
want
it
my
off.
car back, Daddy.
God damn it.
Rocket.
Jump out the trunk. Oh, you're already wet. Getting a picture. Hold on, Mike. Let Johnny get on one side to grab the track.
Johnny, don't waste it.
Oh!
Oh, man. We get that on video.
Yeah! Hey, Mike! Mike!
I don't think you're going anywhere. Well, Johnny, you're the official guy that's going through the creek now.
Yeah, Mike!
Just don't turn it off.